Welcome to Class 4 of our WordPress tutorial series. In this session, we'll delve into the heart of WordPress, the dashboard. The dashboard serves as the central hub for managing your website's content, appearance, functionality, and settings. Throughout this tutorial, we'll provide an in-depth overview of the WordPress dashboard, exploring its key sections such as posts, pages, media, appearance, plugins, and settings. Additionally, we'll guide you through the process of customizing the dashboard to align with your specific preferences, optimizing your workflow and enhancing your website management experience. Whether you're a novice WordPress user or seeking to refine your skills, join us as we navigate the WordPress dashboard together, empowering you to wield its full potential effectively. Let's dive in. How to access the WordPress dashboard step-by-step tutorial. Description. Learn how to log into your WordPress website's admin dashboard quickly and easily with this step-by-step tutorial. Accessing your WordPress dashboard is essential for managing your website's content, settings, and more. Tutorial. Step 1. Open your web browser. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Enter your website's admin URL. In the address bar, type http://urlwebmaster.com/wp-admin. Step 3. Enter your username and password. You'll be directed to the WordPress login page. Enter your WordPress username and password in the provided fields. Step 4. Click Login. Once you've entered your login credentials, click on the Login button. Step 5. Explore the WordPress dashboard. After logging in, you'll be taken to the WordPress dashboard. Here, you can manage your website's content, appearance, plugins, and more. Familiarize yourself with the different sections of the dashboard, including the toolbar, menu, widgets, and quick draft. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully accessed the WordPress dashboard. Explore the various features and settings to customize and manage your website effectively. Understanding WordPress key sections, posts, media, appearance, plugins, and settings. Description. Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on understanding the key sections of a WordPress website. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential components of posts, pages, media, appearance, plugins, and settings in WordPress. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to effectively manage and customize your WordPress site. Intro. Hello, and welcome back to our WordPress tutorial series. Today, we're going to dive deep into the key sections that make up a WordPress website. These sections are fundamental to managing and customizing your site according to your needs. 1. Posts. Let's start with posts. In WordPress, posts are used for creating and publishing dynamic content such as blog articles, news updates, and announcements. To create a new post, simply navigate to the Posts section in the WordPress dashboard and click on Add New. Here, you can write your content, add media, set categories and tags, and publish your post for the world to see. 2. Pages. Next up, we have pages. Unlike posts, which are typically used for dynamic content, pages are static and are used for creating permanent content like About Us, Contact, and Services pages. To create a new page, go to the Pages section in the dashboard and click on Add New. Here, you can add your content using the WordPress editor and publish your page. 3. Media. Now, let's talk about media. The Media section in WordPress is where you can upload, manage, and organize your media files such as images, videos, and audio. To upload media, simply click on Add New under the Media section, select your files, and upload them to your WordPress site. You can then use these media files in your posts, pages, or anywhere else on your site. 4. Appearance. Moving on to appearance. The Appearance section is where you can customize the look and feel of your WordPress site. Here, you can change your site's theme, customize the header, background, and menus, add widgets to your sidebar or footer, and even edit your theme's CSS. With the Appearance section, you have full control over the design of your site. 5. Plugins. Now, let's explore plugins. Plugins are like apps for your WordPress site, allowing you to add new features and functionality with just a few clicks. In the Plugins section, you can install, activate, deactivate, and manage all the plugins on your site. From SEO tools to contact forms, there's a plugin for almost everything you can imagine. 6. Settings. Last but not least, we have settings. The settings section in WordPress is where you can configure various options and settings for your site. Here, you can set your site's title and tagline, adjust reading and writing settings, configure discussion and media settings, and set your permalink structure. The settings section allows you to customize your site according to your preferences. Conclusion. And there you have it. A complete overview of the key sections of a WordPress website. By mastering these sections, you'll be able to create, customize, and manage your WordPress site with ease. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Customizing your WordPress dashboard, tailoring the interface to your preferences. Description. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to personalize your WordPress dashboard according to your preferences. Learn how to customize the layout, widgets, and settings to optimize your workflow and make managing your website even more efficient. Tutorial. Step 1. Accessing the dashboard customization options. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Screen Options tab located in the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 2. Customizing the dashboard layout. Click on Screen Options to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you can customize which dashboard widgets are displayed by checking or unchecking the boxes next to each item. You can also drag and drop the widgets to rearrange their positions according to your preference. Step 3. Adding and removing dashboard widgets. To add new widgets, click on the Add a Widget button at the top of the screen. A list of available widgets will appear. Select the ones you want to add to your dashboard. To remove widgets, simply click on the Remove link next to the widget you wish to delete. Step 4. Saving your customizations. Once you've personalized your dashboard to your liking, be sure to click the Screen Options tab again to collapse the menu. Your customizations will be saved automatically. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully customized your WordPress dashboard to suit your preferences. By following these steps, you can create a dashboard layout that enhances your workflow and makes managing your website a breeze. By following this format, you can provide users with clear guidance on how to tailor their WordPress dashboard to their individual needs. Feel free to adjust the tutorial as needed to match your audience's skill level and preferences. As we conclude Class 4, you've gained a comprehensive understanding of navigating and customizing the WordPress dashboard, empowering you to manage your website with confidence. In our next session, Class 5, we'll focus on one of the most exciting aspects of WordPress, choosing and installing a theme. We'll begin by exploring the WordPress theme directory, where you'll discover a plethora of themes suited to various styles and needs. Then, we'll walk you through the process of selecting and installing a theme from the directory, ensuring your website's aesthetic aligns seamlessly with your brand identity. Additionally, we'll delve into customizing the theme to further personalize your site and make it truly unique. Get ready to elevate your website's visual appeal and functionality in Class 5, choosing and installing a theme. See you there!